Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, leather trim seats, stability control, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, voice activated navigation system, audio, internet radio, Pandora, power brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.